Hello everyone, welcome to part 152 of Ecom series in Laravel 5.7 and 5.8. And in this video as well, we will continue working on the admin roles, multiple admins and sub admins. Okay, so we are going to make provision to add admins from admin panel with all access this time. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to log into the admin panel. Okay, so in last video we have seen that we able to view all the admins, whatever we are going to add, we able to view all those admins. Okay, so I'm going to see that where we have added admins. Yeah, here it is, admin, sub-admins. Okay, so here we can see that we have just one admin so far, and that we are showing in our admin panel. And you can see by going in admin panel that this is the admin that we have added so far. Okay, so we will make provision to add more admin panels, more admins itself. Sorry, not admin panel, but admins itself means admin username. We are going to add more admins. Okay, and that we are going to add in our admins table. Okay, so we will add more admins with full access. Okay, so far we have not done any sub admins, we have not done any roles. Okay, that we will do later on, but right now we need to add more admins. Okay, so means we can make some other admins with full picture. This is the full picture admin. Okay, so we are going to add the admin. We have seen in last video that we able to add the admin from here, and we able to log in from there. Okay, but we are going to add from here only because client does not know that how to add the query, how to add from phpMyAdmin. Client only knows from here. Whenever you will provide your e-commerce select to any of the clients, and it will be user friendly, means easier for the client to add admins from here. Okay, so so let's start working on it. So later on means we are going to add this add admin link, and we are going to add admin form as well with username, password, and so on. But later on we are going to modify that form, and we are also going to modify this admin table for sub admins as well, because in the beginning we are not making that task so much complex that so that you guys will get in trouble. So we are working on it step by step. We are adding one thing at one time. Okay, then another thing we are going to add another time, means in another video. Okay, so let's start working on this one. And first of all, I will add here the admin link, add admin sub admin link. Okay, so I'm going to update admin sidebar. Okay, so in admin sidebar I am going to add another link here, and going to add here like this one. Okay, so I can even copy, or I can even just copy this one. Okay, so here I can make it add admin. Okay, add admin, and here it is add admin. Okay, like this. Okay, and here add admin, sub admin, like this. Okay, so now it is like this. Okay, so add admin, sub admin. Okay, so now okay, so now you can see add admin, sub admin is also there. Okay, so we have not added any route so far, but we are going to add the route for it now. So I'm going to add, sorry for that, I'm going to add here the route for admin. Okay, first of all I am going to search the admin. Here after this one I'm going to add another route. Here I am going to command add admin, sub admin. Okay, route. Okay, so here I'm going to add both get and post route, and we can also add it like any, but any can also pick put or patch. So we are going to add get and post. Okay, like this. Okay, so after that we will this admin. Okay, so add admin like this. Okay, so after that we will add admin controller. Okay, and add admin. Okay, so this is the code that we are going to add. Okay, so now in admin controller we are going to add admin this one, and here view admins. Okay, so after this one we are going to add public function add admin. Okay, right now we can just simply return the view. Okay, so admin this file we need to sorry, here admin, after that admins, and one new file we need to create in admins folder. Okay, so we are going to create this file, add admin file we are going to create here in resources, views, uh, where it is, resources, views, and okay, admin, yeah, admin, and after that uh, admin again. Okay, yeah, here we are going to add new file, add underscore admin dot plate dot php file. Okay, this, yeah. Okay, I'm going to open this file here, add admin. Okay, so here we will not write the code from the scratch. We will not add the form from the scratch. We can copy from some other file. Okay, so we can pick from add category. Okay, and I am going to paste this code here. But it does not mean that we will use this one. We are going to make a change everywhere. Okay, wherever we want. Okay, so I am going to make this one admins everywhere like this. Okay, so you can also do like this categories, and then do here admin. Okay, so and here also category and admin. Okay, so admin, sub admin, you can also write here sub admin as well, because we will also work on sub admins later on. So here you can also add admin, sub admin. Okay, and here also add admin, sub admin. Okay, so right now we are using it though for admin only. Okay, so admin, first of all we are going to take the username. Okay, so username, we will take username, we will ask the user to add the username for the admin. Okay, and here simple we can give required. Okay, and here also add admin we can like this. Okay, so okay, and here also we can give add admin. Okay, so you need to make changes in your form. Okay, so username we have added, and after that we will add password as well. Okay, so password, and for password we will make password. Okay, password. Okay, we must be small. Okay, so like this, and after that this one we don't require. We can remove unwanted code, and we can keep enable. Okay, so this one is fine. Okay, now it is fine. Username, password, and enable, and add admin. Okay, so now everything is there, and uh, okay, so now you can see add admin, sub admin. Okay, add admin, sub admin is there. Okay, things is fine. Okay, so and here also we need to make here two. Okay, instead of one. Here we will make two, because now there are two things under admin, sub admins, add and also view. Okay, so uh, now you can see that in add admin, sub admin, you can see username, password, and enable field. Okay, so now when we will click on this add admin after filling this form, and then we need to add this admin here in admin table. Okay, so the request will go here in add admin, so we need to make changes in this add admin function. Okay, So here we need to add request because we are going to post the form. Okay, so here we need to add that code that if the form data is coming, then okay, is method post. Okay, so here we need to pick the data like this. Okay, and then we just need to display first that data is actually coming or not. Okay, so first of all we are going to display, we are going to check whether the data is coming or not. Okay, so here we are going to check. Okay, so here it is coming, username, password, status. Okay, so username, password, status, everything is coming fine. Okay, so username, password, status, and okay, so now the data is going fine. Okay, so we need to add this data in our means we need to write query to add the data. But before adding the data, we need to check whether this username exists or not, because we can't add the same user again. Like admin is already added, so you can't add admin again. Okay, though you can also add this check in Ajax as well, but it's the admin panel, and you occasionally require to add admin or sub-admin. So, and it's the admin who is going to add the data, who had the username, admin username from the admin panel. It's not for the users who used to make mistakes and wrong data comes in our database, but it's the admin, and it's the admin who knows everything about his website and who don't want to make the website dirty. And also we will provide that edit or delete feature later on in case if he adds something wrong, he can make changes as well. Okay, so so here one thing we need to give here, that username must be unique. Username must not exist. Admin username must not exist. This must be unique. Okay. So for that we will check before posting it to the admin table. We need to check that, and we will check like admin count. We are going to make admin count, and we are going to check in admin model. Okay, and where username, uh, going to check total data username. We are going to compare like this, and that count. Okay, so we will count that the username. Okay, if the count returns, means if admin count is having some value, it means that the user already exists. Okay, and in case of user exists, we are going to return back to our previous page with the error message that username already exists. Okay, so it will be like this: if $admin count is greater than 0. Okay, here in else part we will add that new username. Okay, so here first, if greater than 0, then we are going to return the that to previous page. Okay, redirect back. Okay, with slash message error. Username already exists. Okay, here you can also write admin username already exists. Please add another. This is another like this. Okay, so if in case the this will come to 0, then it means the username does not exist. So we can add to the admin table. Okay, so for that, admin equal to new admin. Okay, so admin username that we are getting from form. name. Okay, and password also we are getting, but this time we will not save the password straight away like this. We need to save the password in MD5 as we are saving the admin password in MD5. Okay, so we need to take it here MD5. Okay, in MD5 we will take the admin password like this. Okay, then only we can able to save it. Okay, so now we can able to save it, and also status. Okay, whatever status we are sending, so we need to save it as well. Okay, data status. Okay, so all the data is coming. Okay, so we just need to save it like this and return the user back. Return the direct back again, and this time with success message with flash message success. Okay, so now we can tell them that admin username added successfully. Okay, and here also we also forget semicolon. Okay, so now it's fine. Okay, so now we can check now with the new admin that we able to add or not. Okay, so let's see. So some issue has come. Save your file properly. And yeah, now come. Okay, so now I'm going to add the new username. Okay, see this one is automatically coming from add-on. No issue. I am going to add with my name Amit. Only Amit I can add. Okay, and password 12345 6. Okay, and enable. Okay, so I'm going to add this admin. Okay, so admin username added successfully. Okay, so it is coming. We will check that here. We can check first of all. We will check here that the admin user has been added or not. Okay, see Amit has been added here. Okay, so I'm going to log in with Amit this time. Okay, I'm going to log out and then log in with Amit. Okay, so I'm going to log in with Amit now. Okay, and here 12345 6. Okay, so here now you can see we have logged in with Amit. Okay, so now you can see that we can access any feature. We have logged in with Amit account, and Amit account also comes in our here. Okay, so this like this you can able to log in with Amit, and you can also able to log in with Edwin. Okay, so I'm going to log out, and from here from Amit account as well you can able to add new admin. Okay, because Amit is a kind of super admin, admin is a kind of super admin. Both of these accounts are super admin. You can add from both these accounts another admin as well. Okay, but when we will work on subadmin can't add admin, but admin can add subadmin. Okay, so that thing also we will do. But here, see, if I'm going to repeat the admin, like if I want to add the admin with the same name once again, like I'm going to add the admin with the admin name. Okay, then it will give us the error. Then it must say like admin username already exists, please choose another. Okay, so even if you will add with Amit, okay, then again it will show you the error that that admin username already exists, please choose another, because you can't add the existing admins. Okay, so you need to add new admin, so you can add that new admin from admin panel with full featured access. Okay, so that's all for now. In next video we will update this form with subadmins. We will update this table for subadmins. We will add here type and another lettered columns so that we can means separate this admin from subadmins, and admin is having all the access and subadmin is having limited access that admin will provide to subadmin. Okay, so that all we will do in our next video, so stay tuned for that. And if you have any queries, then you can surely ask me in video description. Okay, so that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.